Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our ice cream series. And today we are making cherry Garcia ice cream. I am not actually going to call it cherry Garcia, and the reason is because cherry Garcia is named after Jerry Garcia. And it's like patented for like Ben and Jerry's. I am not getting into a battle with that, so that's not what we're making today. We are making not cherry Garcia ice cream. We are making cherry chocolate ice cream. Yes? So let's get started.
Only a few ingredients. We need 4.5 cups or 1 liter of vanilla ice cream, 2 cups or 300 grams of frozen cherries, sweet or sour to taste, 1 cup or 170 grams of chocolate chips. I started out cutting the cherries in half. Leave the ice cream out for an hour at room temperature or heat it on high in the microwave for 1 minute. Put it in a large mixing bowl and mix it together until it is soft but not runny. Stir in the cherries and chocolate chips. Pour back into the ice cream container and freeze for 2 hours. Stir the ice cream to keep the cherries and chocolate chips from falling to the bottom. Then freeze for at least 4 hours. This is probably the most full of cherries and chocolate ice cream ever. If you don't want quite as much, feel free to have the additions, but I thought it was amazing. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes, hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.